Hazelnut growers in the country can look forward to increased support and better prices. In a major boost to the country's sustainable agriculture sector, Mountain Hazelnuts Venture has secured a landmark $7.9 million in equity funding to expand its climate-resilient farming initiatives. The company, Bhutan's first fully foreign direct investment venture, is set to scale up its operations with this fresh capital injection.
The investment comes from Mountain Hazelnuts' long-term partners, Mirova, a Paris-based sustainable investment bank, and Finnfund, Finland's development financer and impact investor. Mirova has contributed around $4 million. The fund will focus on sustainable investment and nature-based solutions such as soil and planting trees. Finnfund has invested $3 million, marking its first investment in Bhutan.
This is a member of Team Europe, and it's their first investment into Bhutan. And they invest in pretty much every sector and could be very good for Bhutan's future FDI targets. It's also backed by a novel guarantee mechanism, the European Fund for Sustainable Development plus Carbon Sink Guarantee. And Bhutan, happily, is the very first project to get this guarantee, so another first for Bhutan.
The remaining $1 million is funded through early commitments from the company's management, founders, and a private investor. Mountain Hazelnut Venture's chief executive officer highlighted that this investment will make it easier for other European development finance institutions to enter the market. It is also expected to attract more foreign direct investment, especially in agriculture. The investment will provide a solid foundation for Mountain Hazelnut's next phase of expansion. The investment will scale up plantations by distributing saplings from nurseries. It will also support climate adaptation grafting programs for the hazelnut trees that did not yield the expected harvest over the next 5 years.
It allows us to make further investments in capex in the factory, adding a retail line, and further expansions in the infrastructure. Further investments also in marketing and branding, because we need to get a good price in the market, plus certifications. So I think Bhutan should now feel confident that Mountain Hazelnuts is going to move forward and complete the original mission.
Currently, 19 districts across Bhutan cultivate hazelnut with nearly 900,000 trees under plantation. Over the next 5 years, the company plans to increase this figure threefold. While not yet profitable, the company is focused on long-term investments in marketing to ensure attractive pricing for growers. With this groundbreaking investment, Mountain Hazelnuts is set to drive Bhutan's hazelnut industry forward, unlocking economic and environmental benefits for the nation. Devika Pradhan for BBS News.